Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off ads in Snake.io game. To turn off ads in Snake.io, first of all launch open the Snake.io application on your device, and from the main screen, go to the top right corner and look for the No Ads button and tap on it. Soon after you do that, you can then follow the on-screen instruction. Tap on the green button where it shows your price for removing all the ads from the game. Click on the button and you will then be processed through the payment. You can then go ahead and add a credit or debit card if you haven't already on your Google Play account, and then follow through the instructions. In my case, it is showing me $2.99 in order to remove ads. It may differ according to your region. Once you add a debit or credit card, follow through the on-screen instructions to complete the purchase via your device's Play Store. And that's how you can easily play Snake.io ads-free. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.